Hello everyone. Welcome back to AARAV EDU TECH, where learning becomes easy and fun. Today we are going to learn an interesting topic from science, the plant. So grab your notebooks, sit comfortably and let's begin. So before we start, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so you can get more video. Plants are living things. They help us in many ways. They give us food, they provide us oxygen, they give us medicine, and they make our environment beautiful. Plants can also reproduce to make new plants. Let's learn how. Plants reproduce in three ways: through flowers, through different plant parts, through spores. Now let's understand each one by one step. The flower is the reproductive part of a plant's sepals. Sepals are modified leaves. They are usually green. They are found on the outermost part of the flower. Their main function is to protect the flower bud. Petals. Petals are brightly colored. They attract insects and pollinators. All petals together are called corolla. Stamen. Male part. Stamen is the male reproductive part. It produces pollen grains. It has a part called anther, which stores pollen. Pistil, carpel, female part. Pistil is the female reproductive part. It is present at the center of the flower. It helps in receiving pollen grains. Reproduction through flowers has five main steps: pollination, fertilization, seed formation, dispersal of seeds, germination. Now let's understand them one by one. Self-pollination. Pollen is transferred to the same flower or another flower of the same plant. Cross-pollination. Pollen is transferred between different plants but of the same species. Pollination happens with the help of insects, winds, water, animals. They are called agents of pollination. After pollination, pollen moves to ovary. It fuses to the egg. This forms a zygote. This process is called fertilization. After fertilization, seeds are formed. Seeds are tiny parts that grow into new plants. Seeds have different shapes and sizes. Examples: beans, peanuts, nuts. Seed must move away from parent plant. This is called dispersal of seeds. It happens by wind, water, animals, bursting or explosion. When a seed gets water, air, proper temperature, nutrients, it grows into small plant called a seedling. This process is called germination. Vegetative reproduction is the process of growing plant from roots, stems, leaves. No seeds or flowers are needed. Some plants do not have flowers. Examples: moss, ferns, mushrooms. They reproduce using tiny spores. Each spore can grow into a new plant. If you liked this video, subscribe to AARAV EDU TECH, press the bell icon. Thank you for watching. See you in next lesson.